in the surging wave of the era's development. China's machinery industry is advancing towards the global stage with great momentum. Uncle Chiao Yuan Construction Machinery Corporation Limited, as a dazzling star among them, has successfully exported over 10,000 used machines all over the world. With its outstanding quality and competitive prices, the sunlight shines on the neatly arranged machinery, gleaming brightly, demonstrating Chiao Yuan's persistent pursuit of quality. Over the past 16 years, Chiao Yuan has been making all-round efforts to strive for perfection. The company focuses on various construction machinery such as excavators, wheel loaders, bulldozers, graders, rollers, etc. of different brands, and can accurately meet the needs of various engineering projects. Chiao Yuan adheres to selling only its own machinery, ensuring that each unit of equipment with strict screening and inspection, guaranteeing excellent quality.
This is our warehouse, and every machine is our own machine. You can check it anytime. Let me show you.
The professional engineer team, equipped with precise instruments, conducts rigorous inspections on the equipment. The detailed inspection reports serve as a solid guarantee of the quality. Stringent checks are carried out from the very source, and every unit of equipment is comprehensively inspected to ensure its quality. The efficient logistics system ensures rapid and safe delivery. Chiao Yuan's footprint spreads all over the world, with countless successful delivery cases. The professional, timely, and worry-free services allow customers from any concerns.
Hello, welcome to Hefei. Hefei is a beautiful city. When will pick you up when you arrive?
The professional customer service team is always ready to respond to customers' demands, providing worry-free after-sales service and ensuring the continuous operation of the equipment. The trust of numerous customers is the most brilliant business card of Chiao Yuan.
Welcome friends from all over the world. Come to my company.
Choosing Chiao Yuan means choosing to create a new chapter and open up a win-win cooperation future. Just join us.